Okay.
We live.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
Welcome to her channel.
Welcome guys to another bomb video.
Yes, and tonight I have two special guests, my two BFFs. I have Kadisha and I have Kadian.
By the way, my name says Kay and her name says Kitty. So like Shar.
You know what? This is the problem. People when they invite people when they have no behavior, compare something.
None whatsoever.
My something I should have told me how to go.
All right, Shar.
We are moving along, people. So tonight we're gonna, or whenever you watch this, we're gonna see. I want to see which one of them knows me better. No, we need to come up with a strategy of how you go answer the question. Oh, we go identify who put up the hand first. So we're gonna put up hand. So anyone hand go up first, you answer. I'm gonna score. So it's 21 questions.
No, not too much. My mind
Oh
can't
wow! I wasn't ready for that.
21 questions, easy questions, people. Easy
There must be 50 cents. I'm asking you to give me one question. Like, come on,
multiple choice questions?
No, there's no multiple choice. Are you kidding?
No lifeline. We can call somebody.
No lifeline. Listen. You know what? You have one lifeline. You can't afford a friend. One lifeline.
All right, fair enough.
I
was thinking the same thing.
Oh Lord, but done with it though. But done with it though. Me just add one. All right, here we go. First question. Now this is an absolute giveaway. Like, so we have to go look for the screen while I ask this. What's my favorite color? Kadisha.
Before you ask the question.
Kadisha, what's your favorite color?
It's not a color, it's a shade. It's not the purple, it's either the green.
What's your answer?
What's your answer?
Green.
No.
Green.
Kadian.
I'm just gonna go with the obvious and say purple.
Thank you. That is a giveaway. Jesus. All right. I think another giveaway. What's my sign?
Wait, name again. Minua.
Yeah, go. Yes, Kadian.
The crazy Gemini twins, multiple personality sign.
Gemini would suffice.
Gemini, final answer.
Come, Kadisha, come. Here's another. This is a tricky question.
Okay. So
be careful how you answer. The answer is not as obvious as you think. How old am I? Go, Kadisha.
Hey Siri. How old is Charlene?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
You're talking
34.
Nope, Kadian.
Charlene is forever 30.
Thank you very much.
No, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Tricky question.
That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. No, that's not fair.
Would I make a listen? I am 30.
Come on our channel and state her real age. She's been 30 for many years.
Listen, come now. Ready? Kadisha, ready now? Ready for you now? What is my favorite cardio workout?
Bicycle.
Favorite?
You didn't put up your hand, but you're correct.
Put up your hand.
It was up under the desk.
It's called cycling or spin, okay?
Bicycle. Bicycle.
Man,
Spin.
stop playing with me. All right. Okay, this one. And this is US. Okay. Who is my favorite celebrity crush in the US? Go, Kadisha. Kadisha, first you.
TIP.
Hey. This one. Who is my absolute favorite? Who is my only African celebrity crush?
African.
Trevor Noah.
African.
African duo.
I'm
But
only
them-
talking about two crushes. T.I. is one. Who's the next one?
You mean like real African?
Yeah, I'm coming to African movie.
We don't watch. You alone watch African movies.
Huh?
Nigerian, don't it?
Me don't know my wish. No, I think it's Ghanaian. You know,
The pretty light skin one of the curly ear.
No, but you have to know him name. You have to know him name. She don't get it.
Is
Next.
it wait? Is it Van Vicker?
yes.
We only are typing the questions in a Google. But don't trust you. But don't trust the kidding.
What is my favorite supermarket chocolate? So nobody guess the Vegas one, the supermarket.
Wait. I have to bring back my mind from
Hold on there. Supermarket chocolate.
supermarket chocolate. Like she couldn't come with a Vegas chocolate.
Regular chocolate, which one of them I like?
Can I have a follow-up question? Is the bag purple? Is the packaging purple?
Let me look at your purple funny. It's not a box, you know.
No, is the packaging purple?
I'm look. Me not think so. Let me look.
If it's your favorite,
No,
like you just eat and don't look at what you're eating. Oh my god!
I think purple they depend it. No, purple not depend it.
Alright, so that's not the one.
Why
What
we
color
can't-
is it?
It's not. Huh?
My top out.
All right.
What color is the packaging?
Brown. With some other color, but the major color brown.
Every chocolate are brown. Like you have Hershey, you have
Milky Way is the only packaging that is brown.
True? Yeah,
You
give
have
up?
Hershey. No, you have Hershey.
You give up?
Hershey's. Go
I
ahead.
We can't remember what it
Wanna give up?
Yes.
It's a shame. It is
Snickers.
Oh, darn it.
Snickers. I'm saying Hershey. Hershey's not brown. Snickers, yes.
a
Oh
shame.
my goodness. Oh my goodness.
And the thing, I love the Snickers almond.
I
Oh
know.
my, no, I was thinking about almond, but I'm like, no, not Snickers, not Snickers. Oh my god.
That's my hand.
Next question. Who is my favorite YouTuber?
I don't know his name.
Who?
I don't know his name. I heard you talk about him.
Who then?
I said Shark Love because I can't keep track
Yes.
of it.
You are actually correct.
Oh, you see these things? You see these things? No. It's all right. No come here for rob me tonight. It's all right.
Go.
Yeah, my brain soon gonna sleep, so don't worry. About 40 questions to ask if you're good.
This one is a giveaway. Or if I put up your hand, iPhone or Android? Go, Kadisha.
I'm
iPhone.
gonna do it first.
No, Kadisha, I'd go first. And that was not the
That's
answer.
bad mind. Stay right down there.
Okay. What's my favorite kind of wine? Kind of wine, not brand. Go ahead. Kadisha.
Kind of wine, as in red to white,
Mm-hmm.
or Chardonnay to rosé.
Yeah, them type of name there. Which one?
Rosé.
Moscato.
Yeah.
And if I know Moscato, it would have been Prosecco, which is not really a wine, it's a sparkling thing. You see, I don't know if it teeth me. Let me answer the question now. I know the answer.
If she never covered up with I need you because Rose kind of sweet too, but Moscato.
Here, I have some rosé, Kitty.
Either one, you know. Treadmill or bike. Gideon.
Bike.
No, but that's not that don't fair. You kind of ask it a similar question to that already.
Okay,
So
that question will not play. All right, we'll take out that question then.
thank you.
We'll take out that question.
Continue, Charlene. Continue.
Don't worry yourself, kid. Wait, go ahead, take out that one there. I'll take out that one there. She said that one enough fear, and we have to go do that. Okay.
Yes.
What is my that one is hard though? One of my favorite movies of all times.
We were talking about it the other day.
Wait.
It's
not Love and Bust. It's not Love and Bust. Wait.
You haven't put up an ad.
I did put a man.
Well, I'm gonna show. Well, let me ask again.
I did.
Hold on, we don't know who put up the ad first. My ask again. We're not looking at some who yet.
And up already. Just make sure answer it.
Go on, Kanisha. Go through.
ATL.
Yes! That's one of them. And yes, Love and Basketball would have been one as well. So yeah.
I know my boo.
Figure it above.
I know my boo. I know my boo.
What is my favorite makeup brand? Yeah, kidding.
1 second.
No, this not fair. This not fair. Again, this question don't fear. It don't fear. No.
Listen, if there was no Glow Up Cosmetics, then they could have answered and said Fenty. But
Yeah, for sure.
but that here is Glow Up Cosmetics. You have to say Glow Up Cosmetics.
Mm-mm. You get the cheat sheet before you come here, you know, because you know all the technicalities.
All right, that one you're supposed to know though, Kadisha.
All
More
right.
than two. What is the name that I gave to my first car?
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You still want me to get a cheat sheet? Because I can't remember this now.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Make a guess and say baby.
No, that's not it.
Not the answer. Rob.
Yes, Rob.
Hold on. Oh, you
Rob. I was trying to remember like what I used to associate it with to remember the actual stupid name.
Here, are you driving right? Imagine.
You're gonna rob me right now.
I don't know how it comes to me.
Rob. Like I used to hate it.
Coffee or tea?
Tea. Sorry.
Tea. She answered. She said, just give she said tea, she already know. Tequila or rum? Put up on the answer.
Tequila. Sorry.
Scratch the question there.
No.
Here. You get tea because you never put up your hand and you want to come do it back to back. You know, space it up there nothing.
No, the video they kind of freeze when they put up answer. You couldn't see when I put up my answer. By the time I take it down, you only see when I answer. So that's what happened.
Twice. Keep going.
What is my favorite banana chips? Yeah.
Wait. I like chippies, but you like. Wait there, we both like the same one. St. Mary's.
Kadisha, your turn. It's not St. Mary's.
This brand?
No.
It's
Chippies?
It's chippies.
No, I like chippies.
My favorite.
We both like it. I second guess myself because I said I like chippies, but
But I got St. Mary's for you. See,
no, it's
no,
Chippies.
I got St. Mary's for Charlene.
Yeah, they rather eat it.
They're
Oh, it was
not.
for Roger. Okay. That's why I was thinking St. Mary's.
Where it come from? No, what is this?
No, she like chippies. I'm just. I don't know why I second guess myself.
Struggle is real. Gold or silver? Yes, Kedisha.
Goal.
There you go.
Minute.
The points them add up. Okay, so this is going to be a quick rush. So I'm gonna need to put up on the ad. Nobody blurt out nothing. What's the name of my two male best friends? Yes, Gideon. You play up an ad quick and fast.
And it up.
Oh, you don't want to go to
Jason is a no-brainer. Let's see who rank Kaya. Mega said Jay and Tough.
Yes. Yes, no sir. Girls that who rank higher. No sir.
Can't put Jason down at the bottom.
I want to go on the end.
Second husband, can't put him down there.
Never.
My favorite ice cream flavor.
Look here. I'm gonna
No,
ask.
this is not tricky.
Is it the ice cream that you don't like something and you still eat it? Or that basically I give her the answer.
You know, my favorite ice cream flavor. I'm confused. I'm confused.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I won't answer. I'm gonna see if Kelly can guess it.
Oh, but
I
no,
won't answer.
no, not.
Oh, okay. Not that one is
No.
talking.
I don't want to say chocolate.
Oh, please don't.
No,
Mm-mm.
no, that's it.
No.
It's
I don't know if it's
the green one.
the pistachio.
What's your final answer?
Pistachio.
Yeah, there you go.
Because I was gonna say either Roman raisin or pistachio. So I'm like,
Because she don't eat one ice cream when she's eating ice cream. That's the thing
Oh,
too.
yeah, the business out there, so like, oh,
So it's kind of tricky.
no, why my business I got a road, so
Because the answer is tricky when you don't eat one flavor.
listen, look here, I can tell you something. Stop putting business on road. No,
ice cream is pistachio.
cha, I do not put business on road, so
Oh,
cha.
it's pistachio. What you coming with, Kadisha? What you trying to say?
Sure.
Outside.
That's one day I cheating from nights.
This is a trick question. River or beach?
For somebody when I like water. Oh, Kadisha put up her hand.
Go, Kadisha.
So I'm going to say beach because you like the photos on the beach.
Mm-mm.
Really, River?
Okay, then. What's your answer?
Look
Then
here.
if it's beach, if it's not beach, then it's
It's a trick question.
You don't like water.
Thank
That's
you.
the answer.
no. How you exit this? How you log off? Because we're done.
I
We're done.
thank you. I'm throwing that one there because me tell you, say it's a trick
You don't like
question.
water.
That's why you say tricky. So me I think about all right then beach because she wanna take the pictures on the beach.
I got that answer. Do not scrap my question.
No, fine. You get your answer. You get your answer. T.
Get
We're stopping the question. I am making an executive decision and I'm scrapping the question. Question is out through the door. What was like one of my favorite hangout spots in Jamaica?
Girl,
Correct,
fuck
Kadisha?
Cutters.
Hey! Back in the day.
Back in the day. Young and immature.
Back in the day. You guys are currently tied
You see
No.
how much question me get right and I scrap it? And
No.
so much keeping answer she get
Continue,
right.
Charlene. Continue, Charlene.
No, but
But
this is a good thing. You're tied. That's a good thing. So
No.
you know. We can't manage. Okay. What's one? So when I get my toes done, there's something unique that I do. What's that unique thing that I do? Yes, Gideon.
Wait, you say your toes? They have different colors.
Every foot has a different color. There you go. So I have a bonus question. A bonus question. This is a two-part question.
Oh my God.
Two-part question. Watch me formulate the question in my head while I say a two-part. Which year did I travel to? I'm gonna say Massachusetts. No, I'm not asking her that. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Yeah, yes, that don't fair. Yes, you know why that's not fair.
Yeah, that's not fair. That's not fair.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
that's fair. Not a
Good.
fair question. No.
Good.
No.
Thank you.
So let's go back. Which year was the first year I went to Mexico? That's part one. Which year was the first year I
Which year
traveled to Mexico?
Which year are we in?
We're in 2020. Which year is the first year I traveled to Mexico? And which year did I go to LA? Kadisha.
You can answer part one.
Yes, answer part one.
2018 for Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
Where is LA? California?
Yes.
I want to say for part two, would it be before or after?
No. You got Mexico wrong.
2018.
No, you got Mexico wrong.
Boy, Femi Island, boom.
You got Mexico wrong.
LA.
Then 17 then.
Huh?
Then 17.
Yeah, 2017 was Mexico.
Okay.
So
when
she
was
went to LA. She went in is it 2018?
There you go. So
Yeah.
after that,
Okay.
it was a 10-point question. So 5 points to Kadisha, 5 points to Kadian. We're at a grand total of what is 15 for Kadian and 14 for Kadisha. That was close. Huh?
Plus you wanna rob me.
And you robbed me enough too. You
I was
robbed me
about
about
to
three.
get out something.
Don't
You robbed me enough.
you know.
You robbed me enough though.
What's
Put up
happening?
my I
Ladies and
saw
gentlemen, it is fair to say that both my BFFs know me extremely well. Extremely well. Too good to understand in my life like Statue of Liberty. Watch how she freeze. Watch that. Watch how she freeze.
I freeze, she freeze. You know,
Catch your pause. Watch out.
no,
Yeah,
I
queen.
no. Queen
I-
freeze on the 14.
My queen. Oh, my queen is still frozen. My queen is still frozen.
Let
But
the night we need the night unfreeze her.
She soon come back. Oh my goodness. No, on the answer question, I'm good. Good. I'm waiting for her to come back so I can close off this vlog.
Yeah. Despite the
start
fact that we're trying to trick us.
Queen, you were frozen.
I don't know what happened.
Queenie, You
I
talk
don't know what
about
happened.
my Wi-Fi and my data. Come on. Let's explain.
We have come to the end of our blog. I want to thank my two BFFs for joining me on this blog. Clearly, they both know me very well because it's been decades, even though I'm just 30.
Well, I'm 29. I'm a
There
year
you go.
behind. I'm 29.
There you go.
And I'm just 21. I'm the juvenile.
You know what? We're gonna end this vlog. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment.
All of them something there.
Yeah, guys, after 2, 1, 2, 3. Come now. Bye, guys.
Cheers.
Oh,
Right, that
cheers.
was done. Listen. Done. Cheers. Cheers.
I want a boomerang.
Watch what she saw.